Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So are you having difficulties learning how to master your voice? If so, you are not alone. Most singers have difficulties learning how to master their voices to varying degrees. So let's talk about it. As singers, we have one of the most unique instruments in the world. The relationship that we have with our voice is unlike any other instrument. You know, we cannot separate ourselves from our instrument. Other instruments, we can store them away, we can put them away once we finished using them and then get them back out again when we're ready to use them. But we don't have that option with the voice. The voice is part of our body, it is part of who we are, and because of this, our lifestyle choices are either going to have a positive or negative impact on our voices. The voice also gives us different things on different days. Have you ever been singing a song on one day and your voice sounds amazing, it's just working out amazing, and then the next day you sing the exact same song and it just doesn't work, you know? Your voice is just not giving you the same as it did the day before. Well, that is the voice, people. It gives you different things on different days. But as singers, we've got to really learn how to navigate our voices on those days, you know? And that's why it is important to become self-diagnostic singers, to spend time with our instruments so that we know it and we know how to get the most out of it on any given day. On top of this, we're dealing with indirect muscle control when it comes to the voice. So let me explain this a little further. So there are 3 types of muscle control. Number 1, no control. These are the muscles that we have no control over, like our heart muscles. Number 2 is direct control, the muscles that we have direct conscious control over, like our hands, our feet, and our legs. We have biofeedback happening with these muscles, so it's easy for us to get a good level of control with them. Number 3 is indirect control, and this is what we're dealing with when it comes to the vocal cords. We don't see or feel muscles of phonation, and we're generally just not aware of them. So the muscles of voice respond to abstract thought. We need to think the abstract thought of pitch, and then our vocal cords will adjust to meet the pitch. We don't have any conscious awareness of the vocal cords actually adjusting. We just think the thought of pitch, and then they adjust to meet the pitch. Going deeper into training the voice is guided by sensation, sound, and creating strong thoughts in our brain. We need to think of the intensity of tone, color, and pitch to create a strong neural pathway from the brain to the vocal cords, and this is how we train the voice and build muscle memory. And muscle memory is a whole nother topic for a whole nother day. So those are just a few things to consider when it comes to the voice as an instrument and mastering the voice. But the good news is that we can really learn how to master our voices as singers. You know, mastering the voice it takes hard work, it takes patience, and it takes discipline. But if you put in the right work, you will get the right results for sure. But that is it from me. Any questions, comments, or concerns, comment below or shoot me an email at info@voicesavvy.com. And last but not least, if you're loving these videos, then subscribe. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you again soon. Peace out.